Good morning, my dear student, standard 9. Today I am explaining the topics is how to apply find and replacing in MS Word. Chapter session 8. In this session, we are explaining about define the find and replacing in MS Word. Find and replacing the word are help us to the user to find the any word in format of the document that can be replaced all the instance of the word format. Particularly the handy of the long document, find and replace are used for shortcut to navigate and editing very easily. Now, how to choose the find and replace? By using that shortcut key control plus H. Now, find and replace command we are used for the single character or any word or group of word. To make the searching the fast, you can either the search inside the document or just the specific part of the document. So first of all, you have to click on the home tab and editing, and then click the find in command, and then you have to just type which word or which character are you wanted to be find. Okay, the find box you have to type the any phrase or any word or any character are you wanted to find it. Then after that you have to choose the option is a find. Now any word they are found, that is called match case. Match case is used to exactly the match the uppercase and lowercase letter you are type. Find the whole word only. Find the wildcard. Wildcard means either it is a question mark or the asterisk. The question mark for multiple character and asterisk for search the any. Like this, see the example. Example is a D question mark G. D question mark G, which is found the dog or dig or B asterisk T. So you will be find the find but and boost. Sound like any word are you what? See the elephant. When you searching for elephant, that is explain mistakes. Okay, and after finding you have to choose the option find all or find next. After finding the word, the cursor will be go to the specific place and have to choose the option either replace or replace all. So replace all the text of the document will be a change into whatever you are specified the text, and replace mean the currently highlighted the text. Then after that option will be choose find the next. After find the word, then you have to choose the next option, next word you have to wanted to find. Clear? The next is a session 9, creating a list using the bullet and numbering. This is bullet and this is a number. So what is bulleted numbering? Bulleted number are used answer of the any questions. You may be creating the different bullet and different number in MS Word. This icon will be located. See this one, okay, which are appearing in a home tab. Now here is a question, how to create the bullet list in the MS Word. We are use the very shortcut key to creating the bullet by using Control plus Shift plus L. Position the cursor, position the any cursor, or you wanted to be insert the bullet or numbering. Then go to the home tab and ribbon, click on bullet list tab. So the top of the page, see the example. Different type of bullet will be available. You have to choose any one. Okay. Now last, see this example. After chosen, the bullet will be appearing. I think you are understand better. Next is the session 10. Apply. The font means the style of predefined combination of the font style, color and size can be applied of any text of your document. This style helps us to document is a more professional and look the feel. This font you can choose the quickly arrange the several things of the document at the time. See the apply the style. What style you wanted to use. First of all, you have to choose the any text which are wanted to be change the style. See which are already are available. Now different type of font and in down direction arrow different type of font will be available. Okay. Now see the select the desired font and drop down menu will be appear. And you have to choose the any options. After choosing, the text will be appeared in the selected style. See, there will be a change. Your text will be a change in the different specific style. Okay, thank you.